first thing we've got to do is transfer our line drawing onto our pastel paper. Let's say there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either download the line drawing directly from our website by putting your paper into the printer and printing it directly onto that. Or you can do this. What I'm using is tracedown. Again, this is all available on our website, and you can find it in other places too, so it's not a difficult thing to get hold of. It's got a carbon one side, and I'll show you how it works. Let's put this on here. This is the line drawing going on. Okay, and it's nice to have a hinge. The reason I do that is because you can check it, and you'll see me doing that in a minute, back and forth, to make sure you've got the good carbon copy. You put the trace down, carbon side down. That's the carbon side. All right, onto your paper. Nice sharp pencil. Now I won't do it all, I'll just show you a little bit. And then you just press quite hard. Because this is graphite, you can always remove it, so it's not really a problem. Let's just do this here for you. There you go. Nearly there. Oops, I'm wrong there. I'm going to show you how that doesn't really matter. Because it's graphite, we can erase it. Okay, let's just do that here. Now this is why I say the flat, because you can look. See, now you can see what you've done. And now if I didn't, let's say that little error that I made there, because it's graphite, it rubs out, see? You rub it out. And then you can use a pencil just to correct it. Another thing you can do sometimes, if the line's a bit faint, you can always go over that with your pencil too. Let's do that too. These lines are fine, but if they weren't, then you can go over it and so on. And anyway, and then finish it off, and we're ready to go. Take that off, and let's start.